Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the story of the 1959 Lincoln Penny, a small coin with a big place in U.S. history. This was the year America's 1-cent piece got a brand new look, and it's a design that lasted for more than 50 years. Visual images of Lincoln, wheat reverse, then the memorial. Since 1909, the penny carried Abraham Lincoln's portrait by Victor David Brenner. It was the first time a U.S. president appeared on circulating coinage. But in 1959, to celebrate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth, the U.S. Mint made a change. Out went the wheat ears reverse, and in came the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. This new design honored not just Lincoln himself, but the monument dedicated to him in Washington, D.C. Visual zoom on the obverse: "In God We Trust, Liberty," the date. The obverse kept Brenner's famous portrait of Lincoln. Around him, you'll see "In God We Trust" at the top, "Liberty" on the left, and the date with a mint mark below it on the right. Visual zoom on the reverse, highlight the statue inside the memorial. The reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, with a tiny engraving of Lincoln seated inside, a detail you can see with a magnifying glass. The words "United States of America" arch along the top, EPLU, US, UNAM, above the monument, and 1 cent at the bottom. Visual rotate the coin in good lighting. This coin weighs 3.11 grams, is 19 millimeters in diameter, and is made of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. It was struck at 3 mints, Philadelphia, with no mint mark, Denver, with a D, and San Francisco, with an S. Visual compare a worn coin versus a brilliant red uncirculated one. While hundreds of millions were made, the real value is in high-grade examples. A bright red, uncirculated 1959 penny graded MS65 or higher can sell for much more than face value. Rare errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or transitional pieces with the old wheat reverse are especially valuable. Visual multiple shiny pennies in a row. The 1959 Lincoln Penny is more than just loose change. It's a symbol of American history, a tribute to Lincoln, and a favorite among collectors. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coin stories, and let us know in the comments if you've ever found one of these historic pennies.